Hey guys, welcome back. This is agaxx here with another video. So today we're going to go over the types of games you should play on Twitch, where you should outsource to get your viewers, and how to keep them in your stream when you are streaming. I want to say thank you to those who have subscribed, and thank you to those who are here for the first time. If you are a first timer, please, I would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know when I upload. Alright, so the first thing that we're going to talk about is the types of games. You don't want to play any of the games that are in the top 25 in your country. So I know a lot of people like playing Fortnite, Overwatch, Black Ops, and GTA, and so on and so forth. The popular games is almost rare for you to get new viewers because there's so many people streaming, and if you're someone that goes into a stream and you see, oh, this video it has 600 people in there, I'll be able to talk to people and engage with the stream. They're gonna go to that. Now let's say you're streaming something that is in the top 50 and they see, oh, it's you and 2 or 3 other people, and they're like, okay, let's see this new streamer because, you know, I want to interact with a new streamer and I don't really want to talk in the chat, right? So that's one tip. So as for the games, I would say play games that are a little older or games that most people don't play. Like recently I have started playing like retro games, and I've been able to get anywhere from 6 to 20 viewers in my stream. So I noticed that playing retro games, people want to come see that because, you know, it's nostalgia and they just want to join in, be in the chat, or just watch the game. Some people just stay there and watch the whole game. And some people interact with me, but it's okay because I'm starting to get closer to get partner on Twitch, because right now I'm affiliate, but I want to get to partner so I can start making a little more revenue than just using loots on Streamlabs. Okay, if you want to know how to use loots on Streamlabs, leave it in the comment section down below and I'll definitely do a video of that for you. So how to get people to come to your stream. Now, one thing that I noticed, people that use Streamlabs, they like to have the starting soon layer up, and they usually have it up for more than 2 minutes. Personally, if I come to a stream and I'm there for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and the stream still hasn't started, I am definitely leaving. So if you're one of the people that's using Streamlabs and you're doing a starting soon thing, I would say have it for 1 to 2 minutes. 3 minutes is pushing a little bit, but it's okay. 3 minutes is okay if you got to set up and get your water, snacks, and all of that. Now, those of you who are streaming from consoles, I would say start your stream first, give it about 2 to 3 minutes, and then share to social media that you're streaming. Okay? The best place to go is Twitter. Instagram is good, but Twitter, a lot of people tend to retweet what you have and interact. Now, I'm going to show various tweets that I've posted of my own stream and other people that I've hosted and their streams, and how many people seen the tweet. Now, it doesn't matter how many people interact with the tweet, it doesn't really matter. You want to get a certain amount of impressions. That means this many eyes has seen this tweet, and that means at least 10% of those people are going to click the link and come to the stream. Okay? Some of the hashtags that you want to use is hashtag RT, Small Streamers Connect, Twitch, you know, Gamers Unite, Gamer. If you're a girl that games, Gamer Girl, also because there's a specific Twitter account that has Gamer Girls, and they tend to retweet a lot of things that have that hashtag. Okay, and you want to make sure that you put like a picture of whatever game that you're playing, because just putting the link, nobody's gonna want to click that. If you put like a snippet or a GIF or something, people will be like, oh, okay, I want to interact with that tweet and go see what's going on that Twitch stream. That's another thing. Also, you can utilize Reddit. You want to try to get a Twitch community. You can find a whole bunch of Twitch communities on Twitter, actually. Right now, I actually have like 3 or 4 people that are in my Twitch community, and we're actively watching each other's stream. We're not just, oh, I'm going to follow for follow and never come to your stream again, or pop in once and never go again. And you want to have these type of people because then they can host you and you can host them, and then you can retweet their tweets so people can see, okay, this person's engaging and I actually want to come to their stream because they care about who they interact with. Okay, so these are some of the tips. if you want to have more tips on how to stream on your PC or laptop to Streamlabs, or you want to know how to use your Elgato and include chat communication from your headset, because some people are having issues with playing on PlayStation using Streamlabs and you can't hear the in-game chat, or you can't hear the in-game sound because you have your headset plugged into the controller. Also, I'm going to buy a portable monitor, so I'm going to have an unboxing on that in maybe 1 to 2 weeks. So please stick around for that. Thank you guys for watching. This is agaxx, out.